Welcome back to my channel. This is travelartist, and today we're going to unveil the secrets to improving your watercolor skills. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, these tips will help you improve your watercolor game to the next level. The first secret. Alright, the first secret is a fundamental one. You gotta learn to draw well. You see, drawing is the backbone of watercolor painting. It not only helps you plan your composition, but also improves your ability to identify tonal values. So sharpen your drawing skills and you'll find your watercolor become more lifelike and engaging. Secret number 2, colors. Play with warm and cool temperature. So it's tempting to use wide variety of colors, but here's the secret. Use fewer colors and instead focus on warm and cool temperature. Warm colors like red, yellow can bring the elements forward, while cool colors like blues and purple pushes things back, creating dimensional depth in your painting. Secret number 3, patience. Now here's a crucial tip. Patience pays off in a watercolor painting. Wait for your layers to dry before glazing additional layers. It's safer to build up thin layers slowly than rush and risk mudding your colors. Trust me, your patience will be rewarded with vibrant and clean results. Secret number 4. Now secret number 4 is related to secret number 3. Speaking of drying, here's the secret. Let the pigment dry by itself. Avoid excessive brush fiddling when the paint is wet. This can disrupt the delicate balance of water and pigment, leading to unwanted effects like the bloom or background. So let nature take its own course and allow your artwork to dry naturally. Secret number 5, and the last secret for today, is about edges. Soft edges can add a touch of magic to your watercolor, so remember to soften your edges before they dry. You can achieve this by gently blending the edges with clean, damp brush. This technique creates a softer transition between colors and help you achieve a more dreamy atmosphere in your painting. So there you have it, the secrets to improving your watercolor painting skills. From mastering your drawing skills to playing with cool and warm temperature. From practicing patience to softening these edges. These tips will surely take your watercolor art to a new level. Remember, practice makes perfect, so grab your brushes, pick up your palette, and dive into this. If you find these tips useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tips and inspiration.